Hi viewers, today I'm showing you what the problem I'm facing after switching on. What I get is this login screen and I don't know what to do, and the main screen login is not coming, Ubuntu. So this is where I'm stuck after the start. um, we'll see how to rectify this. I'm just switching off now, so it is actually trying to switch off. So I'm just pressing it, I'm just switching it on again. The moment I see white screen, I am switching off again. See here, so I'm switching off again here, right here, so that I will get other options to switch over. So I have some so where previously I just clicked Ubuntu, and I ended up with that login screen, that black screen, and I don't know what to do further. So this is I'm trying to go to advanced options for Ubuntu, and here I would like to go to recovery mode. This one, let me enter. So I get this. So what I'm trying to do is, let me go to the root. So I got a root over down here, right here. So I'm going to write here sudo space update grep. You can see this here, and I'm just going to press enter. Okay, now I'm going to write shut down remove now. Okay, space now. I'm just entering. The moment I enter, I have to press shift 3 times. 1, 2, 3, something like that. To keep pressing shift. So I got the option again. So I'm again going to the advanced setup. I'm going to the query mode right here. Okay. Now again I'm going to select this fail save X. So let's start. It is asking me yes or no. Continuing will remount to your file system in read-write mode and mount any other file system defined in etc. Do you wish to continue? Just say yes. I'm trying to put resume normal boot. Let's see what happens. So you can see here it is asking that if there is a graphical boot uh, drivers are not being booted properly, then it is difficult to do. So let's put OK. So finally the event has failed, whatever we did now. um, let's try another method, and we'll let you know. Thank you.